Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is metadata types. Metadata types are used to define the structure and behavior of applications built on the Salesforce platform. These metadata components enable admins and developers to create, configure, and customize their Salesforce environments. They are essentially configurations stored in XML format that represents different features, components, and settings. Metadata API allows developers and administrators to retrieve, deploy, create, update, or delete metadata components programmatically. This is commonly used in CI/CD pipelines, packaging, and org migrations. Objects. Custom objects. These are user-defined objects created to store specific business data like invoice __c denotes that this is a custom object, project __c, etc. Like this, we can create any number of objects what is required in the business requirement. Standard objects, predefined objects provided by Salesforce such as account, contact, opportunity, etc. In these objects, we are not seeing __c. This denotes that this is the standard objects given by Salesforce. Fields. Custom fields, user defined fields added to objects to capture additional data. Standard fields, fields that are already part of standard objects such as account, .name, opportunity, .close date, etc. Page layouts, used to control the organizations of fields, related lists, and custom links on a record detail or edit page. Validation rules, enforce business rules by defining conditions that must be met for records to be saved. Record types allow different business processes, pick list values, and page layouts for various types of records within the same object. Profiles determine which data and features are accessible to users based on permissions. Example, object level permission, field level security, tab settings, permission sets. Extend the functionality of profiles by granting additional permissions to users. Flows, flow builder to implement business processes, screen flows, auto launched flows, etc. Apex classes represent server-side code written in Apex, which is Salesforce proprietary programming language. Apex triggers automatically execute custom code when records are inserted, updated, or deleted. Reports and dashboards. Report type defines the types of data and relationships that are available for reporting. Dashboards, visual representations of data aggregated from reports. Approval processes, automate approval workflows where records are submitted for approval based on defined criteria. Workflow rules, automate tasks, event alerts, field updates, and outbound messages based on record criteria. Assignment rules, automatically assign leads or cases to users or queues based on predefined criteria. Email templates, Predefined templates used for sending emails through workflows, approvals, and manual send actions. Tabs, custom or standard tabs used to expose objects or web pages in the user interface. Custom settings allow developers to create custom reusable sets of data that are accessible via code. Static resource store binary files like images, JavaScript files, and CSS files that can be referenced in Visual Force pages or Lightning components. Lightning components, modular building blocks for the user interface in Salesforce based on the Lightning component framework. Visual Force pages used to create custom user interfaces with code allowing for more complex UI customizations. Email services enable processing of incoming emails and perform specific actions such as creating records. Queues represent a collection of records that are awaiting processing by a group of users. Sharing rules define how records are shared across users or roles based on criteria or ownership. Connected apps allow external applications to integrate with Salesforce via OAuth, SAML, and OpenID Connect. Community settings for communities including branding, pages, and preferences. Thank you.